Everyone, this is Harvey from Jaras Credit Cooperative, and in this video, bibigyan ko kayo ng 3 reasons why you should consider being part or being a member of Jaras Credit Cooperative. First reason, okay, so we provide high interest rates on our regular savings and time deposit products. Okay, so when we say regular savings, ito yung deposit products that you can withdraw anytime. So we provide 4% per annum sa regular savings product natin. While for our time deposit products, merong maturity na 2 years and 3 years, we provide as much as 12% per annum. Okay, so 12% na binibigay natin. Definitely higher than what the banks offer sa mga time deposit products nila. And probably, mas mataas din sa ibang time deposit products ng mga cooperative, no? Not only here in the Cordillera region. Okay, so reason number 2 is we provide loans to our members. So, yung mga loan products natin, mas mababa yung interest nito in comparison with the usual lending institution, yung mga institution kung saan ka pwede mag-loan, pati yung mga online, yung mga loan programs nila, no? And meron tayong product dito. Of course, meron tayong regular loan, meron tayong petty cash loan, and even we have emergency loan. Tapos meron tayong isang loan product that is specifically for pregnant women, for PWD, for senior citizen, for students. Kasi itong loan product na to, we call this special loan window, mas mababa ang interest niya compared to other loan products na meron tayo sa cooperative natin. No? So, pangatlong reason is we will help you promote your business or profession for free. Okay, so sabihin, we will promote your business, no, or profession if you are self-employed sa mga social media pages ng kooperatiba natin. We believe that as you succeed in your business endeavor or even your profession, diba, mas patronize ka ng product ng kooperatiba natin. So, parang ano lang siya, mutually beneficial for the cooperative and for you as a business person or as a professional. Okay, so i-summarize ko lang ulit yung tatlong reasons bakit kayo kailangan maging member or why you should consider being a member of Jaras Credit Cooperative. First reason is we provide high interest rates on our deposit products, both for regular savings and time deposit products. Pangalawa, we provide loans na mas mababang interest compared to the regular or the usual lending institution sa paligid natin. Pangatlong reason is we will help you promote your business or profession for free sa lahat ng social media pages ng cooperative. Again, so this is Harvey De Jesus from Jaras Credit Cooperative. I hope to see you soon here in our office. Yung process how to be a member, yung mga requirements, yung mga kailangan yung bayaran, and yung location ng office natin, i-attach namin dito sa video na to kung saan mo napanood. And we hope to hear from you very soon, and you are very welcome to join our cooperative. Again, as long as you are a resident of the Cordillera region. Thank you everyone, and have a good day, and God bless.